Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Please follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Many of us save up a nest egg for the winter, but that doesn't mean that we don't want to earn in the wintertime. Now here in Mississippi, for the most part, in the wintertime, the weather is pretty decent. You have some cold days and you have some very cold days. Don't get me wrong. Some days I don't leave the house. If it's below freezing, I'm staying in. Below freezing weather is not consistent in Mississippi. In this business, weather is very, very important. I constantly check the weather by using my Google weather app. The weather app allows me to plan around the weather. I can see what time the weather is going to rise, and I can also see the time the weather is going to fall, so I can strategize and plan my work for the day. Knowing when the weather is going to rise and when it's going to fall and how high the temperature is going to get can be the difference between being comfortable and uncomfortable. For example, if the weather is low early in the morning when I start washing cars, I can start on the interior and work on the interior until the temperature rises. Then I can start working on the exterior. While working in cold weather, I'd rather be comfortable. Dressing for the weather is very, very important. I like to wear thermal underwear. I like to layer up double socks, and I also like to wear winter boots that are insulated and waterproof. During cold times, I'm always mindful to bring my equipment inside as the temperature starts to drop at night. That means bringing your hoses, your pressure washer, your towels, and empty your tanks, or you can drop a little antifreeze so the water won't freeze. This way you will have a quicker start time in the morning. You don't have to thaw out or unfreeze any equipment or damage any equipment, such as your pump on your pressure washer. Also, while working, you want to refrain from getting your hands wet. As soon as your hand gets wet, it makes your whole body cold. So I like to use thick rubber gloves on top of latex gloves. During the winter, I experience a lot of spikes in appointments and bookings. Also notice a lot of drops, but to keep it consistent, I use this time to advertise. In between super cold days where I can't work and when I'm actually working, I go out to parking lots and put flyers on cars and do Facebook posts and do anything I can to keep my name out there. My experience has been that many customers will assume that since it's winter or since it's cold that you're not working. So I like to send out text messages to all my clients and customers to let them know that I'm offering specials, that I am working during the cold weather. Check out the description box for links for products and items that were used in this video. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.